Welcome to Matt Gourmet Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make curry fish. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and also click that notification bell to get notified when I upload my video. I just want to say a huge thanks to all my subscribers that's been supporting me, and also my new subscribers. The ingredients for this curry fish will be down in the description box, so you guys can just go there and check it out.
Java Beats exclusive.
Now here's all my ingredients that I'm using to prepare my curry fish. I'm using 1 teaspoon of fish seasoning, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of curry powder. Here I got 1 teaspoon of onion powder. I got some chopped garlic. Also here I'm using some okra. I got my chopped bell peppers. I got my fresh thyme, and also 1 Scotch bonnet pepper that I'm using. I got some chopped onion, some chopped scallion. You're gonna need some vinegar. And also here I got 2 tins of coconut milk that I'm using too. And here I got 6 lovely snapper fish that I'm also using. Now guys, I'm gonna start off by washing off my fish with my vinegar. Guys, if you don't got vinegar at home, you can use your lemon or you can use lime to cut away that rawness. Yes guys. So you wanna do it guys. As you can see guys, my fish is already scaled and cleaned out. Yes guys, already cleaned it out and scaled it. So now I'm just washing it now with my vinegar to cut away that rawness on that fish. Yes guys. So you want to do it guys, you just want to rinse them in that vinegar water before you start to cook it. Yes guys, that's how you want to do it. Now there you have it. I've finished rinsing off my fish with that vinegar water to get away the rawness. Now you're gonna take your fish and make 2 slices on each side like this guys. So you're gonna do it. You're gonna do it on the next side like this. Guys, the reason for this is so that your season will penetrate down into the meat when you're seasoning it up. Yes guys. So you wanna do it. Slice again. Get right back to you when I'm finished slicing all my fish. Now there you have it guys, that's the last fish to slice. Now guys, you just want to get some hand towel and just kind of pat dry them to get off that excess water off of them guys. So you want to do it, just get some hand towel, just pat dry them. Away that excess water, especially on the inside, you guys. Just like that guys. Now there you have it. That's how you want to dry off the excess water off of them guys. Now when you're finished drying off all the excess water off of your fish, now it's time to season them. I'm just going to add all my seasoning into one thing and just mix them up, and then you start to season them. These guys. It's my garlic powder, a bit of my salt, my black pepper, all-purpose, my ginger powder, also my onion powder, and also I'm adding some of my curry and my turmeric into one thing, guys. Now I'm just going to mix them up before I start to season my fish. Guys, you don't have to do it this way. And this is just my way of doing it. You can just add the fish into your basin and just sprinkle your seasoning, all your seasoning over it, and just rub them in. But easier for me this way, guys. Just like that, guys. Just make sure you mix it properly. All of those seasoning, just put in there. The powder seasoning. Now it's time for me to season this now, guys. Just gonna take your fish like this. Sprinkle it over like that, guys. Especially on the inside. When you get something on the inside there, make sure you rub it in, guys, and be careful of the bone when you're rubbing in your seasoning inside of the fish. So you want to do it, just sprinkle it, especially inside those slits that you make on the side. Just make sure your seasoning penetrate down in there. Just rub it. Just rub up your fish just like that, guys. Take the next one, just sprinkle it simple and easy, especially on the inside now. Put some in there, sprinkle on the inside, just rub them on, guys. Rub on your seasoning to your fish. I'll get right back to you guys when I finish seasoning up all my fish then. Now here you have it, guys. This is my last fish that I'm seasoning. It, guys. That's my last one. Now I'm just going to rinse off my hand and just cover this up with my cling film and leave it to marinate for about an hour before I start to cook it. So cover this up now with our cling film. Just like this, guys. Just leave it to marinate, like all of that seasoning that you just put on your fish. Just leave that to marinate for an hour, guys, and I'll get right back to you when I'm going to start to cook it. Now my fish is finished marinating after that hour. Now I'm just going to get my pot and preheat it for about 2 minutes on medium heat. A quarter cup of extra virgin olive oil in it. Yes, guys. I'll get right back to you when my pot is finished preheated. That oil, after that 2 minutes, my pot and my oil is hot. I'm just going to go in with 2 tablespoons of my curry. Just going to burn that into the oil, guys. Just want to stir that around. So yes, that's what I'm going to do. Curry burn into your oil, guys. Now after the mix, you're going to go in with your chopped garlic. Guys. Just stir those out. Make sure make sure your garlic burn into your oil too. You don't want that curry to hurt the belly. Just nice. Now I'm going in with my rest of my seasoning, my bell pepper, my Scotch bonnet pepper, and also my fresh thyme, and also my onion. Chopped scallion. Let's stir those around. so lovely, guys. This season is smelling so nice, guys. I'm telling you, bro. Smelling up in this kitchen, boy. Smelling so lovely. I'm just going to go in with my okras. Guys. I'm just going to give those a mix. Just like that, guys. Also, I'm going to add in my coconut milk, 1 tin of my coconut milk into it. Just like that, guys. Just going to stir that around now. So you want to do it, guys, with that coconut milk in there. I'm just going to leave this for 5 minutes. Get right back to you guys. Now here you have it, guys, after that 5 minutes. Checking back on my pot. Wow, it's smelling so nice, that coconut milk and that seasoning and okra. Wow. Yes, guys. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and flavor my pot now. Season it, put some seasoning there, guys, to give it that lovely flavor before I put my fish in there. Guys, I'm going in with some of the same seasoning that I mix up for my fish that I season with. Yes, guys. I'm just gonna go in with about 3 spoons. Yes, guys. This is the same seasoning that I use on my fish. Just season it up, guys. I'm just gonna give that a stir now. So you wanna do it, guys, just like that. I'm just gonna remove my cling film from my fish and start to add them in there now, guys. Take this bit out of the way. Just like that, guys. Guys, so you want to do it. I'm just going to go in half tin more of my coconut milk. Yes, guys, just like that. And I'm just going to add some butter to this now, guys. Just put some butter on top of it, just like that. Just, guys, before your fish start to cook, make sure you take some of that coconut milk and show over your fish, just like that, guys. Show some of that lovely sauce all over your fish before they start to cook. Guys, sprinkle it all over, guys, just like that. I'm just going to cover this up now and leave it to cook, guys, for about 20 minutes, and I get right back to you. Now checking back on my curry fish after that 20 minutes. Yes, guys, I'm telling you, it's smelling so amazing, guys. I wish you guys was here to smell it and even to taste it. I'm telling you, I'm just going to give my gravy a taste now. This guy's perfect. You can turn this off now, guys. It's finished after that 20 minutes. It's finished steaming. I'm just going to serve this out now, guys, and show you. You can serve this out with white rice. You can serve it with boiled dumpling and banana. whatever you choose to have it with, guys, I'm telling you, it's a perfect meal to have. This curry fish cooked down into this coconut milk, guys. It's so amazing. Now I'm just gonna serve it out and show you. Now there you have it. I've served out my curry fish with all those okra, my mixed vegetable and my tomato, and also my lettuce, and to go along with it with some white rice. I'm telling you, it's so amazing, guys. I just have a taste. It's so lovely. Guys, I hope you give this one a try at home. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also hit me up in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this curry fish cooked down into coconut milk when you give it a try at home. Until next time, thanks for watching.